Hi, my name is Luis Arroyo. I'm an attorney with Michael Beston Friedrich in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. My topic today was dealing with what employers can monitor in the workplace, privacy issues related to that. Sure, a couple issues in terms of what you can monitor. The issue of what is it that you're actually able to see, and what can you do in relation to the law. With respect to what you can see, there is a load of information that is copied by computers that will track an information used by the employee. And through computer forensics, you can discover that information. You need to be wary of the laws, privacy laws, and take certain steps to make sure that you that you inform the employee that they don't have an expectation of privacy in looking at the actual at using the workplace computers, so that you can then go ahead and monitor. Using the information, employment-related decisions, usually we discuss it in the context of outgoing and incoming employees, discovering whether or not the employee rather, has taken information on the way out the door, and discussing with the employee whether or not they've removed or taken information from their former employer rather, on their way in, and making judgments on whether or not you're going to continue to retain that employee. And then certainly if you discover through computer monitoring that the employee has done things using their computer that they should not have been, you need to make decisions on whether you're going to discipline or retain that employee. Protection from disclosure of the company's information is really a multi-level approach. You need to establish, first of all, that the information is yours, which you can do through employee handbooks. You need to make sure that you have on your computer systems a constant reminder to employees that reminds them that the information they're looking at the computer belongs to them, and that they shouldn't be using it or sharing it with third parties. And then you need to establish a procedure when an employee leaves for reviewing their laptop, or at least quarantining their laptop, to determine whether or not the employee has stolen information on the way out the door. Computer forensics is extremely useful in establishing trade secret theft cases. When we have an employee that leaves an employer, it's extremely important from the perspective of maintaining a trade secret claim that you preserve and not destroy the laptop that the employee worked on, as well as any of the backup files, so that you can have them imaged by computer forensic provider. You can review them, a pristine copy of the information, to make a determination whether or not any of the information was removed. And by making sure that you have a computer forensic expert involved, the information isn't spoiled, and there isn't a worry of spoliation. So that then you can use that information to go ahead and get an injunction or other sort of remedy from the court.